Hello friends and welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious air-fried eggplant fritters. This is perfect for a side dish or appetizer. I hope you're going to give this a try. Oh, that's just the sour cream, babe.
Thank you.
No, come on.
This is mine.
Wait.
It's good.
To start off, we need an eggplant. This is like a large size of eggplant, so this is not like a traditional Filipino or Asian eggplant. This is, I call it an American version of an eggplant. So it's more like thick and wide, and you're just going to cut or slice about like 1 centimeter or to 2 centimeter. It's really up to you, and just add some salt. The salt will help the eggplant to sweat because we want to release all the water as much as possible for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, as you could see, it's kind of released the water. So, and now we're just gonna need a clean water. We're just gonna rinse off this eggplant, or you could always run this through the sink on a strainer. It's really up to you. The purpose of this is just removing salt as much as possible, and then just lay it flat on a paper towel, and then cover it with, or pat it dry using another paper towel, or if you don't have paper towel, just let this sit on a strainer or a rack, and then just pat it dry and set this aside. We need 2 bowls. The first one is for the egg, the second one is for the crumbs. We're going to need 2 large eggs. Whisk the eggs and then just season it with salt and pepper. I'm using garlic with Himalayan salt and a black ground pepper, and just simply whisk until combined. And then on the other bowl, we need this panko breadcrumbs. I like this one because it already comes with the panko and breadcrumbs mixture, and this is Italian as well. Add Everything Bagel and just mix this together until combined. Now we're just gonna set our station. We're gonna dip the eggplants first into the egg and to the dry mixture. Spray the basket before you put the eggplant, prevents it from sticking. Dip the eggplant into the egg batter and then into the breadcrumbs. Cover it as much as possible. Then just lay this flat into the basket, just like what I'm doing right here, and repeat the process. You might want to do this 2 to 3 times, depends on what size of air fryer you have. Cook this for 400 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the basket from the air fryer unit, and just using an oil, I'm using a grape seed oil. It's actually recommended because this makes it so good. But if you don't have a grape seed oil, then use whatever oil you have. So just simply brush the eggplant on both sides. So now we're flipping it on the other side, and just brush that with the oil. Apologize for the noise. And then just dab that oil just a little, not too much. Pop this back in a unit, cook it 400 degrees for 5 minutes. If you want this extra crispy, adjust it to 8 minutes. After 5 minutes, there is the delicious eggplant fritters. This is actually crispy, smells so good. You hear that? Super crispy and super delicious. I hope you're going to give this a try. Please like this video and share. Subscribe to our channel. And appreciate you guys. Hope you come back and see us at Dash of Spices. How'd you like it, babe?
It's really, really good.
It's good? Remember you said you don't like eggplant? But you like it this way?
It's delicious.
It's delicious? Okay. She likes it. I like it too. It's good. Thank you, everyone. Ciao.